Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a sudden restart or shutdown problem in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings, click on open it. Under startup and recovery select settings. Uncheck this automatically restart option and select OK and select OK and select OK. If this method doesn't fix your problem, then method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it, select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path. Just to copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. After you are in this Windows, you just need to right click on it and select a new and select a key. Now check my video description for this Windows updates text. Just to right click on it, select rename, paste this text and press enter. Right click on the Windows updates and select new, select key. Now you just need to type caps letter AU. After typing it, press enter. After selecting this AU, on right side right click on the blank area, select new, select default 32-bit value. Now check my video description for this no auto reboot with logged on users. Just to copy the text, right click on the value, rename, paste the text and press enter. Double click on it. Value data, set this to 1 and click on OK, and just to close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.